Today we are using a special plane for a fun trip. We are flying on an A319ceo. The A319ceo is a great plane for seeing things from the sky. It is made by Airbus. They make very good planes. The windows are big so you can see a lot. This plane is often used for short trips, but it can also fly far if it needs to. It can carry a lot of people. That is why we use it today. Come on, let's go see Alcatraz. The A319ceo has comfortable seats. It is very quiet inside. This helps you relax. You can enjoy the view. The plane has lights that change color. That is fun to watch. The air inside is very clean. You will feel good when you get off the plane. The pilots are very good at flying. You will have a safe and fun trip. We will take off from the airport, then we will fly over the city. You will see the Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge is very famous. It is very big and red. Then we will fly over Alcatraz Island. You can see the old prison from the plane. You will see the water all around the island. It is very beautiful. Alcatraz is a small island. It is in the water near San Francisco. A long time ago, it was a prison. Some very bad people went to prison there. Al Capone was a famous criminal. He was in Alcatraz. The prison is closed now. Now people visit Alcatraz to learn about history. You can take a boat to the island. You can see what the prison was like. It is very interesting. Many movies are about Alcatraz. Have you seen any?